Today's vlog is brought to you by Absolute Charm Vacation Rentals.
We are at the beautiful bluff in Natchez, and right across the street is Wardos. This place right here is where it is the best milkshake in town, I think. There are other great places too, but best sandwich, best milkshake, bam, bam. And that's what I'm here for. Here's the home of the ice cream here. Don't these just look like they're straight out of a movie set? And I don't even know what these are. These are just everywhere in Natchez. Is incredible, historic buildings and homes that have a story to tell. Still don't know all the stories. Well, this is a nice little summer light rain that we're getting to water everything in. The sun's out, but it's raining. I thought the sprinkler was on. Look at that. So I got 12 more bags of bark because we didn't have enough yesterday, so we're gonna see if that'll go far enough. Wish me luck. Oh no. Oh no, the porch fall down. It took probably several men a lot of hard work to make the porch fall down. But it's down now.
We're gonna live here, right?
We're gonna live here.
It's gonna be fantastic.
Are you headed to Natchez for one of our many year-round festivals? Balloon races, music events, Christmas tree lighting, parades, historic home tours, historic cemetery tours. Natchez, Mississippi has so much to offer year-round, but we know when you get here, you're going to be looking for an absolute charming place to stay. And that's where we think at Absolute Charm Vacation Rentals, we have just the place for you. Anything from a beautiful, charming southern front porch overlooking the majestic Mississippi River, perfect for sunsets, sunrises, to an intimate, cozy cottage with a private hot tub, pet-friendly places, family-friendly places, and girlfriend, get out of town, getaway places. We have it all at Absolute Charm Vacation Rentals. So we invite you to go to our site, absolutecharm.com/Natchez, and we look forward to seeing you in Natchez, Mississippi real soon.
At a new restaurant today.
It's our friend Joseph Smith, not the Mormon. That's how he introduced himself to us. Joseph Smith, not the Mormon, has opened a new restaurant. It's the 1720 Gallery right here on MLK. All you can eat breakfast buffet. The lunch buffet is from 11 to 3, and I think they do breakfast too. I'll check with Joe. But it's delicious, and this is a cool building. Just really exciting new business.
Yeah, and he rescued this building. I mean, it was rough. Look how cool it looks now.
He's done a great job. He and his mama Anita are doing this project together.
Yeah, here, I'm going to get a quick glimpse of Joseph. That's him on the left. Going to promote his restaurant.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Hey, what's up, Restoration Nation? I am Joe Smith, and we are here at the 1720 Gallery and Gift Shop right here in Natchez, Mississippi. We're open every day from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. with all-you-can-eat breakfast, and then on the weekends we have all-you-can-eat brunch, grits, eggs, hash browns, biscuits, very good biscuits. So if you are in Natchez, when you're in Natchez, come hang out with us. We're located at 227 North Martin Luther King Street, right here in Natchez, Mississippi. Can't wait to see you.
Cut those to hold the baton, and the baton would run between the two, and then they would pack it with mud and Spanish moss or horsehair, whatever they had. Wow. You can actually see some of the bucillage right here. This is the mud.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's still there on the masonry. This also.
This is what this was when we bought. This is how this looked when we finished taking off the burned roof, which all of the rafters had burned, and so it was just the metal roof sitting, because of course the metal didn't burn, but all of the substructure did. So it was just laying on this, and this is balloon construction. So we were terrified that when we popped that roof off, that the whole house was just going to fold like a house of cards, because that's, the roof has everything together with balloons. Easily anywhere from 40 to 80 years before the Black campaign, which was somewhere around 1820.
Gonna play tourist today?
A little bit. We got a little bit of time.
And so we're outside of Rosalie, which is right there. Hello, Rosalie. But there are these little houses and cabins.
Oh no, we can't get out this way. Yes, we can.
Yeah, we can.
We're trapped. But we've been wondering what they are since we moved to Natchez, and we've never stopped. So Kevin said, we're gonna go. And I said, okay.
So we're gonna find out along with you
what these are.
What in the world these three houses are. This is our first log cabin. It does have a plaque, so hopefully we can learn something. We'll read this and give you the lowdown.
Yeah.
All right, so we kind of got it figured out.
House number 1.
Yes, looks like it's built in the 1800s maybe.
But it's not.
But it's not.
In 1940, this handsome fella came and built a total recreation of Fort Rosalie, which used to be on this site, and made it a big tourist attraction. Of course, it was part of the big driving tours that were going on in Natchez at the time, and he made this big reconstruction of Fort Rosalie. But he was a World War I flying ace, and he came and re-enlisted in, wait, is that right? Yes, he was a World War I flying ace, and then when World War II started, he re-enlisted but went down during a mission in 1943 and died. And so then it all fell into disrepair. There was nobody here to keep it up, so this is all that's left of it.
Which was the gift shop.
Yeah.
And I guess the city maintains it now, but it's in great shape.
Yeah.
So that's number 1. We got a couple more to explore, so we're going to tell you what they are.
He thinks there's 3, I think there's
Okay, I think there's 2 more, and she thinks there's 1 more. We'll see. Evidently, this is an old house, is what you're telling me? We're going to peek in the old house.
Oh my God.
Yes? What?
It's like not got a floor.
Oh. So nobody living there.
No. Well, probably some raccoons.
Got some nice growth on the chimney there.
Yeah, yeah. Be a great place for a photo shoot.
Well, all right. So what did you learn? This is like one of the remaining. There's no looking in there.
There were just some houses on Canal Street, and a bunch of them deteriorated and fell down, and the city moved this one here as part of interpreting Fort Rosalie. Just, it doesn't make a lot of sense to me because this is an 1880s house and Fort Rosalie is 18th century. I don't know. But it looks lovely from the street.
Yeah. Okay, Lane was right. There were 2 houses and not 3. But then there are all of these walks up to this hill, which I've never been up. So we're going to go up there. This is the site of the original Fort Rosalie. And is there anything to see up here? Not really. It's actually kind of nice up here. But there are no structures. Looks like a nice place to have a picnic though. There you go. We drive by this 1,000 times and we're just now learning what is here.
Did we decide nothing to see here? Move along.
Nothing to see here. I have dog hair on my hat.
You have so much dog hair on your hat.
Well,
There are a lot of gnats here though, right?
yeah, there are gnats.
They do love us.
So, yeah, I told them it's a good place for a picnic, but maybe you want to put on a lot of repellent.
Yes. Okay,
Sorry.
bye.
Bye. Up there. Stanley, come on.
Stanley.
Come on, bud. Come on, let's go.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Go.
Look at him go.
Where's the ball? We'll never find it for you.